皮影，
皮影。
A long time ago, a monarch missed his deceased concubine so much, he got sick. His ministers reproduced the image of the concubine with cloth and put it behind a screen. The monarch could see the shadow of his concubine on the screen. This was the origin of the shadow puppet, 皮影. Piying represents interesting stories with lively songs and shadows produced by lights. It is the earliest animated technique in the world. The images are always made of patterned donkey leather sewn with thread. The bodily movements and facial expressions of the puppets are created by bamboo sticks. Piying tells stories with traditional methods and is popular all over the world. It features not only interesting stories, but also Chinese folk art.
皮影，
皮影。